Welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna be doing an orange look, orangey pinky look, like a sunset look. So that's what I'm going for. So I already have foundation on, so we're just gonna be going into eyeshadow. We're gonna go to double scoop and orange crush. Go into foreplay. And then we're gonna go into not here. We're gonna go into blood sugar, and we're gonna go into root canal. Go into coma, and we're going to be taking tongue pop with it also. We would go to candy floss. Now I'm going to do the other off camera. We'll put liner and lashes, and I'll be back. Now we're going to be taking tongue pop. Now we're gonna go to bronzer. This pink. Do I want this? No, I don't. Maybe I do. This is beauty pageant, and it feels like peppermint. And I'm gonna be taking some Frozen 2 lip gloss and Fruit Spirit. You guys can tell that I really like this lip gloss. I've only been using this. Fucking Cheetos. It's the end of the night. Hell yeah, I'm gonna eat posto. So that's the end of the makeup look, and I'll see you guys until the next time. And don't forget to like, comment below, and don't forget to hit that bell button and subscribe if you want to keep on seeing videos of me, if I entertain you, I guess. I'm not that funny, but I can be sometimes. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.
People say I work too hard. Oh my goodness, oh my gracious, oh my god. First things first, let me tell you, I only take the money if the tint blue. She don't really care what I'm into. I did this for myself, I had a breakthrough. I'm about my revenue, I'm about my profit. All my lyrics stand as prophets, and my last bitch was a goddess. I gon' make these hits, I promise, I promise. I just wanna cut loose, snip, fuck a job. I can be my own boss, on God. Just cut my own check, make my own bread. Taking from the, 'cause you are the reason why I'm still